S&H Fashion is a well-known and reputed garment factory in Bangladesh. We manufacture a variety of products, from basic items to highly fashionable garments. We have every necessary department: merchandising, quality assurance, product development and commercial to support our valued customers. Top management always monitors and supervises the work of the respective departments. S&H Fashion has a wide range of garment production capabilities, including knitwear, woven garments, and denim. The company uses only the finest materials and employs the latest manufacturing techniques to produce garments that are both stylish and durable. Its state-of-the-art production facilities are equipped with the latest technology and equipment, allowing the company to produce garments quickly and efficiently without compromising quality. The company works closely with its clients to understand their specific needs and preferences, and is always willing to go the extra mile to ensure that every order is delivered on time and to the highest standards of quality. High-quality products and exceptional customer service, S&H Fashion is sure to meet the needs of even the most demanding customers. And we're committed to using the power of business to strengthen communities and empower people. We work with a network of garment factory manufacturers, exporters, and suppliers to fulfill orders for our clients. In addition to sourcing and producing garment items, we also deal in surplus or stock lot inventory overrun. Our services are primarily focused on exporting garments, and we likely have experience working with clients in international markets since 2013.